Hello Dimensions, this is Marvel with TMEC, the Marvel English Center. You guys use tag questions, don't you? In this video, I'm going to talk about tag questions or question tags. Tag questions or question tags turn a statement into a question. It is usually used when the other person is expected to agree with the statement. Tag questions are made using auxiliary verb like be or have, and a subject pronoun like I, you, and she. Negative question tags are usually contracted like is not equals isn't, have not, haven't. This is a structure of a tag question sentence. Statement, comma, and tag question, question mark. If the statement is positive, question tag should be negative. If the statement is negative, then it follows the question tag should be positive. Here are example sentences. Number 1, it is cold today, isn't it? It is cold today is a positive statement. So it has to have a negative, which is isn't it. Second example, it wasn't warm yesterday. So this is a negative statement. Now it has to have a positive question. Was it? We form a question tag by using the same auxiliary or helping verb, modal verb, or form of be as in the statement, followed by a personal pronoun. For example, the weather is nice, isn't it? Is, isn't. Pronoun is it. We are happy, aren't we? Are, aren't, and we. He has been away, hasn't he? Has, hasn't. Notice that on the first two statements, I had a falling intonation. The weather is nice, isn't it? We are happy, aren't we? It is because I believe that the statements are true. On the third example, I had a rising intonation. He has been away, hasn't he? It is because I'm not sure if he has been away. So it is a genuine question. If the statement does not contain an auxiliary verb, modal verb, or be verb, use the verb do in the question tag. You like her, don't you? Like is the main verb without auxiliary, so we use don't. You talked to Dave, didn't you? Talked is the main verb. Didn't. There are also special cases for tag questions. For some modals, they will notice that, won't they? They won't be here, will they? So it has an irregular form. For I am or I'm, the tag question is aren't I? I am late, aren't I? I'm in charge of the dishes, aren't I? So that is our review class for tag questions. I hope you learned it again. See you in my next video.